Hello everyone. Today I am sharing with you a Diva Dynasty collaboration Tablescape Sundae. The host of this collaboration is Miss Tammy, me, myself, and DIYing it. And her fabulous co-hosts are Cynthia, She's So Blessed, Cynthia, Mysterious Alberta, Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Lynn, and Diva Decorating, Geraldine. Now I'm about to give you the rules of this tablescape. This is a kitchen utensil tablescape. You must subscribe to the host and the co-host channel. You also must put the playlist in the description box. Mention your host in the description box. Do a kitchen utensil, an item, theme tablescape. Title your video Kitchen Utensils Tablescape Sundae and use the hashtag Kitchen Utensil Tablescape and to add it to the playlist and upload May 17th. And the last but not least, have some kitchenette fun. So this is my kitchenette fun. So if you're any bit interested in seeing what I have for you, then please keep on watching. All right, family, let's get into this video. Now, this video was a little bit different from all the other videos that we have done, that I have done, because we had to use things that we use on a day-to-day basis in our kitchen. You may not see just yet, but you will as we go on this video. I'm just taking you around the table briefly so you can see what's going on. And then I will explain to you what I have. Okay, we are back at the first place setting. And I'm just going to show you briefly. This is an E-Favor Mart black napkin. And the burgundy napkin is from Home Goods. I have a Dollar Tree napkin ring. I have a little basket. Instead of me using plates that I use all the time, I decided to go with this. This is like a basket that you can put all kind of little finger foods in or whatever. And then this is my cutting board. And you can see the cuts and scratches on it. And then I have it on a black charger plate. That's from the Dollar Tree. And then I have this charger plate that I at the dollar store. And I just love these charger plates. They're all beat up, but I still love them because whenever I want to give a pop of color, I just add my plate. And this is how I have it set. I have my Dollar Tree Black Goblin and my Dollar Tree Black and Silver Silverware. And on this one, I have the burgundy napkin. And this one right here is a piece of fabric from Walmart. I just wanted to add that as a pop of color because I only had 5 of the black. Okay, let's come over here. My table runner is 2 Dollar Tree little rugs. And then in this is my sugar canister, but I took everything out, added some fairy lights, put in my bottle opener, a cookie press, and a knife, and a spatula, and I think measuring spoon. And over here, this is my kitchen utensil caddy, and I just put some greenery in it with my utensils. And then I just laid out my apple cutter, well, my egg cutter. And then here we have my strainer. That's my flour holder. And I have just my measuring cups. And some more kitchen utensils. Here's my apple cutter. And this is my table for the kitchen utensil tablescape. So I thank you all for stopping by and checking out my kitchen utensil tablescape, hosted by the lovely Tammy and the Diva Dynasty, Geraldine, Lynn, Alberta, and please go over to the ladies' channel. I will have the playlist and their links, their channels, in the description box. I hope that you enjoyed this video because I enjoyed making it. Turn off my lights. Still get the nice little ambiance with the kitchen utensil tablescape.